if you want to start off by taking a palette and then put some red paint into it. Take a straw, make slits to it and then spread it out. Dip it in the paint and then put it onto a paper. Add a yellow center to each of these and then draw on the stems using a green marker. Take some tissue paper, make multiple polka dots to it, add it at the base as a bouquet. Next, start off by taking some bubble wrap, cut it out in this ovular shape and then paint it in white. Add the head to it as well as the legs, don't forget to add the eyes, and then add tape to the bottom and then add some brown patches as well. Next, in order to make these, start off by taking some bottle caps and then take some paper. To begin with, cut off this circular shape, make 2 of these and then afterwards fold it into half, add multiple polka dots to it. Now, onto the bottle cap, add the eyes as well as semicircular sheets of paper. Do this in different colors and stick them all about the green sheet of paper. Next, we'll start off by taking a lady's finger, slice it and then add paint to it and then put it onto a piece of paper. Now, as you're pressing it, make multiple of these and then add a yellow center to each of these using a earbud. Now, using a green marker, draw the stems of it. You may use a lighter and a darker shade of green. Cut a cup in half and add it to the base. Next, take this piece of lettuce, cut off the base of it and then paint the top of it and then press it onto a white sheet of paper. Make multiple of these and then afterwards take a green marker and then add on the stems to this as such. Now, cut a cup in half and then add it to the base. Next, take a leaf and then slice it into half. Now add glue onto one part of it and then add it as the ground and at the top as well. Now add these leaves to it and then afterwards add these branches to it as well. Now add a little moon shape to the top, draw on the birds and there you have it. Next, cut out multiple circular sheets of paper and then cut out a branch shape out of some black paper as well. Now taking the circular sheets of paper, fold it into half and then stick each of them in different parts of the branches. Next, take a leaf, cut it out in this shape, add it on top of a body. Stick this body to the top and then afterwards take multiple leaves and then stick it in a line on either side. Now add the dress using a leaf as well. Add tape to the bottom and then make the rest of the dress of this little girl using other leaves. Add the legs to it and then add leaves to the top as well. And then afterwards, this is what it should finally look like. Next, take a leaf, cut it up into this rectangular shape. Afterwards, add tape to the back of it, stick it as such. Cut out this leaf shape and then stick it to the top. Now, it should look like a pineapple. Add eyes to it and then a little smile as well. Add the arms and legs to it as well. Add stars all around. Next, take this big book and then afterwards, using a marker, start off by drawing the base spot of this. Now add multiple lines to it and then add these lines in detail, cut it out, then using a green marker, add these stems all around it as such. Now add this to the top as well, slowly begin to roll it over and then after you've made this twirl shape, add it all around. Add these flowers to it as well using this twine. Next, in order to make this, start off by cutting out a rectangular shape out of some white paper, then add a rectangular shape as the base spot as well. Then take heart shapes, fold it into half and then stick these all around using green. Next, start off by taking a leaf and then cut off the base stem of it. Now make a small slit in the middle of it and then add a head to it. Now make this design out of a leaf and stick it as the body. At the bottom, add some tape and then stick leaves to it to make it look like a little mermaid. Fill this entire bottom tail with leaves as such. After this, give her a little wand and then add some beads to the middle of it all. Next, start off by taking some cardboard paper, make a curved line and then make a basket out of it and then afterwards design it using a marker as you please. As you can see, we are adding multiple lines to it. Make a small slit to this and then add it behind another cardboard sheet of paper. Now take multiple leaves of different designs and then insert all of these into it.
Thank you for watching.